Good morning. My name is Brian Johnson, and this morning I will show you first where to find it, the letter that I wrote in question and answers. It was in, of course, the Forex Factory, and of course it shows you that video there, and these are the questions and answers that I wrote there, so this will summarize it a little bit for you. But you'll need to go to the Forex Factory to look at that thread. It's in the Forex Factory. We'll show it to you in the forums. Brian John's Advanced Traders Multiple Currencies. You will look in there in the trading systems, and you will see it in here. There it is there. You'll click on it and you'll see on the last part you'll find it. The other thing, information that I'll give you quickly is anytime you have questions or answers, you have given that thread vouchers or are known on that thread, I'll only be too willing even to show some of my friends in there in live real-time trading. And where you find that out will be to go to Forex Factory, either Bridget's room or and I'm always on I'll put it up here on the Forex Traders room, Doji's room. That's quite clear in here. This is available for you to find it if you have trouble. This is in the section under, both of these are in the section if we're on there. So you'll show it in the list of rooms are available at the time in the business section of Power Talk and in the traders, etc. in there. You can also just type in any of in the top little search area on Power Chat. Which is simply here. It's in the business and finance section, day traders, and at the moment Brian Johnson here, and where are we? Forex trading room. So at the current time in the Forex trading room there's 5 people on, and the current time I've only got myself there. Okay. But once again, I can't stress, please go to this room, excellent room. Sometimes a great trader, Doji, does live real-time trading. And when he does, it's a real treat for all of us. So once again, you can do that. If you have any questions, if you ask a question, I'll answer it if I'm online, here or there, and try and help you in any way I can. Okay, that's just quickly. Now we'll go straight in. You saw the Forex Factory. This was based on, I talk swap positions in that letter that's in there with Russ. You just sort out the currencies, and anytime you have equal buys, equal sells, this is used as an indicator. So on here we'll probably have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buys, 2 sells. 7 buys, 2 sells. That's how it ended up on the particular day. And you can see the actual prices had gone up on the basket to the top of the range. Okay, so one wants to trade this when this goes, this here profit, and we'll redo it, but the lowest profit, that's all you look at. If it goes -1, 0, +1, +2, that is where you go to the chart. It's a prospecting tool. You can have 14 there, and you can add there to make trades. Making trades and trading is printing money. Anyone can print money. I've gone over it time and time again, but it's pretty easy. The only time you don't make a trade and print money is when you make errors, like this one here. We made it because we simply put 5 lots on it. I was talking to my grandchild, turned around and looked, and I'd done something stupid. I had to trade my way out of that. I quickly closed it out at a loss and then started trading my way out of that stupid error. So when we make errors, we try and correct them. You'll make errors, simple errors on you didn't, at the time you didn't look closely. You might have thought it was a plus or a minus, or it could be simply the broker trade context becomes fixed, or it could be that when you enter the broker's hedge, it goes +3, +5, and you go put on a sell the trade, close the order, and you're waiting, and you're in no man's land. The broker has fun, takes the money off you. So everyone makes mistakes trading, but basically you should always get a minimum of 85, 95, 100% per day. So that is what I call printing money. Only our mistakes, they make us money, but the actual system, all traders can print money. Trading for Forex is how you manage drawdown. This is a drawdown. I think I said to Russ or whoever it was, I was going to get I aim for about $250 in drawdown, which is basically most of this is the actual spreadsheet, your indicator. But during the day, I might run up $500, $600 in drawdown. The real means of trading, the real trader knows how to run up and run down his drawdown like a rubber band. So in that letter, I discussed with Russ various tricks, techniques. We all trade different. There's no right or wrong way to trading. It's simply a matter of learning and practice, and that's your art. Printing money, that is taking sales, is very easy, yet people spend 95% learning how to trade and only 1 or 2% thinking about how to control drawdown. Controlling drawdown is the difference between a good trader and a poor trader. There is no system. Doesn't matter what you do. I use simply these things. That when you look at the Great British Pound, US dollar, if this had been zero, it's not ready to trade. This is just prospecting. This is our fine, great prospecting tool. So we look here at the Great British Pound, US dollar, and now we're looking at indicators. Look, it's a mess on the desk. We got thousands of them. You don't need all of them. You only need the buy and sell volume. Is there more buyers or sellers? The currency and the opening and close of yesterday gives you the trend of the day, as you read. 85%, pretty good hit rate. 85% based on that, and with a little bit of help from your sell and buy volumes at the time, you're timing your entry. One knows always that this is a bosun's line that's on here, and this is a weekly close price, this is a monthly, and usually the price returns 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 times during the week to those levels. If those two are below there, it will come down short 1 or 2 times a week. That's just a general indication. So the opening of the price, after 15 minutes you start, first day of trading during the week when the Forex opens. That price, where it is, usually determines the trend for the day. We use our baskets, our daily chart, look at the candle, what is the current trend, and this is the range, and this is last week's close price. It's here. That's last week's close price. So it should return there depending on the opening of Monday. The basket is there telling you the current trend in the hourly, in the 2 hourly, the hedge, etc. The Great British Pound, US dollar, which was the trade we were looking at, it was in our prospecting tool. Our prospecting tool was there. This is the only one we're interested in. We can trade 14, 15 multiple currencies. Simply using when the slot position of the profit drops down here, this is your instant prospecting tool. You can never pick the right time exactly. You can only use this terminology that I use of loss, profit, loss. This gives you a higher chance of timing your entry to make fast print money trades. The rest of the time should be learning how to control drawdown, how to control it, run it to the level you want to do. See, the more stock, I call it stock, this is stock on your shelf, and nice, say 14 stock is a 14, 18 stock, 20 stock is a good stock. You saw in the thing how you can use your stock and interest-bearing currencies, one lots, to make money. These we're only doing little trades, but when our drawdown goes up to a level, we want to make money trading. Okay, that's all for now. Read that once again. I'll just leave this here. Leave this here, and it's a Forex factory, trading systems, and here we are. Go there, Brian Johnson. Click here, we'll do it all so you can see it. Go to the last thread. It may move by the time you get to it, but you will find it on post number 976. Is a lot of that tips and tricks in controlling drawdown. Bye for now from Brian. God bless. First of all, remember, trading the Forex is risky. 95% of traders lose money trading the Forex. Never put at risk more than you're prepared to lose. Never trust anyone with your money. You don't need to pay to receive great Forex trading. It's free. There's so much of it on the internet. So I never ask anyone to pay me money to teach them to trade. Trading should be free. Always trade. Look for the best system that suits you to the ground. Don't spend 95% of your time with indicators, systems, and chasing the elusive goal. Printing money is easy. Spend 95% of your time learning drawdown, how to control it, how to run it up, how to run it down. If you don't do that, you're really not trading with Forex. You're playing with toys. That's my opinion. God bless you. Have fun. From Brian. Bye for now.